It's going to begin like funny elephant free mom hugs shirt. When in the course of human events, it becomes necessary for one people to dissolve the political bands which have. Funny elephant free mom hugs shirt. Tank top. V-neck. Ladies tee for men and women. Tank top. V-neck. What just happened? Do you understand that funny elephant free mom hugs shirt cannot just boo them? They are terrorists. They laugh at you when you don't do anything. That's why George Floyd protests caused the change. Chanting doesn't do shit. The only action does. Do. Official funny elephant free mom hugs sweatshirt. Hoodie. Hoodie. Sweatshirt. Some users are interpreting this comment as me supporting the use of guns during these protests, which I absolutely do not support and did not say that I supported. Funny elephant free mom hugs shirt users are reading this as me being anti-Second Amendment. I also did not say this. Just commenting on how there is a large group of conservative second other products.